Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. And so we're here now on day 11 of the power of forgiveness. And as we've been talking about, having families in the family reset, daily steps to just strengthen unity. And over the past few days, we've explored various ways to strengthen our family bonds. Today, I want to focus on transformation practice of forgiveness. Because forgiveness is the cornerstone of a healthy relationships. Holding on to grudges can cause and create division, but choosing to forgive fosters healing and unity, not forget. As Ephesians 4:32 reminds us, be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as in Christ God forgives you. So embracing forgiveness allows us to move forward together, free from past hurts. And today, one of the challenges that I'd love you to do is just reflect on any lingering resentments within your family. Take a step towards reconciliation, whether it's through a heartfelt conversation, a written note, or a silent release in your heart. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself as much as you giving it to others. And so by practicing forgiveness, we pave the way for deeper connections and a harmonious home. Let's reset our hearts and embrace the freedom that comes with letting go. We'll see you tomorrow for another step forward towards strength and unity. But I just really want you to think about your brothers and sisters and the strife that can have if you're not willing to forgive. All right, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.